الدنيا إلهي أدي تايم لسوء لنكرو أنا وحن سوء عشان لها تايم كي يعني يا أبي تايم عادة حنوها يعني وقت جنوا يجيلي قف عادة حنوها قف وحنها أنا وحب مخلم هل أري أبي ليه ولي من جسم I was so stupid always بنانك عادة always خيلات بلاي جيمي سيجار تمشوا حاجة كذا حاجة يعني I used to be stupid but you still have more chance of life like these fucking people they will never tell you these stupid people they will never tell you how much your father and your mom loves you when you lose everything you're gonna cry like me why I did that now you have everything please forgive your youth kids you will never know the truth Allah billahi these youth kids they will never know the truth I make my mom cry every single day my mom cry when she see me she's crying because she see this stupid kid every time I come to my house I thought I'm fucking Rambo that's what I thought I'm fucking King Kong in my house my family I used to disrespect every day but please if you have your father alive and your mom alive my mom alive right now please ادعي أمة المسلمين I want everybody in هويديس أبيس ونقضى يعني the man she wanted قفك هو كاربت النقاء please don't be